Over the weekend, Central and South Central Texas experienced severe weather, with Austin being heavily impacted by hail and strong winds. The National Weather Service meteorologist Keith White reported a Level 2 storm hitting the region on Sunday night into Monday morning. Austin, in particular, faced significant damage due to the hailstorm, with hail as large as baseballs falling from the sky. Daniel Tucker, a San Antonio filmmaker, was caught in the storm while working on a project in Austin. His vehicle suffered damage as large hail shattered the back windshield. While the storm started with an awe-inspiring display of nature, it caused substantial damage to homes and vehicles, especially on the north side of Austin. Meteorologist Keith White reported extensive damage, including broken windows in both homes and cars and fallen branches. The financial toll of the storm is expected to be high due to the significant damage caused. The impact of the storm wasn't limited to Austin. South Central Texas also experienced its share of severe weather. The Texas Hill Country, including areas like Bandera and Medina, faced damage primarily attributed to strong winds rather than a tornado. Power outages were reported in some regions, including Bandera and Medina, due to fallen tree limbs and damaged power lines. Other areas, such as Warren and Bourne, also experienced issues like power outages and fallen tree limbs. The storm brought large hail and heavy rain, causing disruptions and damage in various parts of Texas and Oklahoma. In Austin, the severe weather interrupted a Major League Soccer match, forcing fans to seek shelter under overhangs. Additionally, a Louis Tomlinson concert in Colorado was also affected by a hailstorm, resulting in injuries to at least 90 people. The National Weather Service warned of continued severe weather risks, including large hail and high winds in South Central Texas. The community is urged to stay informed and take necessary precautions to ensure safety.